use to get the length, the straightness when measuring. So come with me and learn how to use this. So the first thing, guys, you need to fix the battery into position. So after fixing the battery, it has a switch here. Put it on. So after putting on, it has the buttons to operate. So thank you guys for learning on how to